What?
No.
You gotta go in the shade? You gotta go in the shade? Yeah?
Now it'll work.
What are you doing? Run up? Nah, it's comfortable. What? 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 Baby? You found some oil in your nose? You get some oil over your nose? Baby. Baby. Huh?
Stiff, that one?
Don't bite. No, don't bite. No.
Of course.
Don't bite. Don't bite. Okay.
Or is there just still shit in there?
I think there's shit like around it and in the plastic and stuff. It's tight.
No, don't bite. Don't bite. I'll bite you. No.
Okay, so then
Oh, you're a little shit. Oh, you're a little shit.
take this guy off.
It's hot. Hot for you?
Now that little screw is, it should stay. It'll stay like if you keep it like that.
So to run the auger off that remote, Vince,
I'll bring you.
is there a wire from here, from the controller then?
Yeah, from the back of the box.
Yeah.
So yours is a 6-pin Deutz. It looks like it's 3 now. Nope. And then all the buttons that are on there, they correspond to the pin number. There.
Look at this.
Yep. Just got to get the screw out of there. Yeah, I was literally doing.
Just whistle. Just whistle.
There you are. There you are. Yes, little buddy. Hi. Hi. There you are. Hi.
Did not reach.
I think it's shit.
I was measuring that auger last night, Jay. There'll be some modifications. I think it'll still work, but
No, it's not reaching.
screw's too long, too short.
Too short.
Is it?
So take.
That's fair.
Well, we should pause it because that's tight. Yeah, and we have it that you can move it over. Sometimes some hydraulic banks don't work.
Oh,
It
you
should go
mean-
right up at the top.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Like it fits right on the. It's a perfect fit.
Okay. Okay, do the video again. I'll just do it right.
Okay. Fine, I'll just keep going.
Put one up there.
And tighten it down.
So you just tighten it right there. It only moves so far. You have to adjust it.
It only moves 2 inches. It should be right. Just don't tighten it too much.
It's just snug. There.
And then when it
Pushes it
when it goes, it'll just push it back. Okay, so now click that guy on there. Yeah.
Just pull the throttle back, dude.
That's smarter, eh?
Yep. Kind of hard to get. Yeah, just however it goes on. Yep.
Seemed to go in there.
Yeah,
Sounds like it.
we might have to chew that out a little bit. Yeah, feels a little tight. Ah, see there, it's loose.
That was just
It just
the
is
wrong spot. Yeah.
Yeah, it was just too far back.
It's just the end part comes out, yeah.
Yeah, it's just this part.
And then you just adjust it, that slide.
So it doesn't.
fast.
I can cut. So then, so you want to go, see that's all the way that way, that's all the way this way. So I tighten it up there. So then you turn it off. Press the E-stop. The big red button, push it in. Push it down. No, this one.
This one?
Yep.
Oh.
Tighten that up. Now, did it go over top of that limit? No, we're good. So then I would turn it back on.
So here's the on button.
You gotta pull the E-stop back up. And then push the on button. Okay, it didn't quite go. So then you gotta loosen this. And then push it. There, try that. Yeah. And then shut it off. We might actually start switching this actuator out to a little bigger one because the newer the tractor, the harder the key to turn. Okay, try it again. Okay, now push both unlock and start. Okay, now let go. Gotta loosen this guy and pull it back some. Yeah, it's not crazy. So I'd come back to about there because it's lining up with the key. Here,
Oh, okay, yeah.
it's lining up, so that's pretty much where we want it. It's 90 degrees there.
Try again?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Not quite. A little bit more. Put a little bit more that way. Ignition keys are kind of the funniest to set because probably there. That's why we have this big thing on here, is so you can grab it with your finger like this.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Perfectly set there. And then you would hit the E-stop. Yep.